Looking for the best laser level for your workshop, job site, or DIY projects? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best laser levels based on range, accuracy, durability, battery performance, and overall value. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend DIY enthusiast, this list has something for everyone. Product links are available in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1 is the DEWALT line laser. When you want a laser level that can take a beating and keep performing, this DEWALT earns a top spot on the list. The overmolded housing is rated for a 1 meter drop, and an IP54 rating keeps water and debris from slowing it down. It's built from a metal and plastic combination for a solid, job-ready feel at just 4.41 by 2.4 inches. This cross-line laser delivers approximately 1/8 inch accuracy at 30 feet, and when paired with a separately sold detector, it can extend its range up to 165 feet, handy for larger spaces or brighter conditions. The patented integrated magnetic bracket makes mounting on metal surfaces quick, while the 1/4 20 threaded mount lets you attach it to a standard tripod for more precise setups. It's a Class 2 laser with output at or below 1.3 milliwatts, and it comes housed in a durable storage case for easy transport between job sites. Number 2 is the BOSCH GLL5020 self-leveling cross-line laser. The BOSCH GLL5020 blends flexibility and durability into a compact package. It runs on 2 included AA batteries or Bosch's optional 3.7V lithium-ion battery, which lets you keep working while it charges. An IP55 rating means it shrugs off dust and rain, and a full rubber overmold protects every major impact point like a built-in roll cage. Accuracy comes in at 5/16 inch over 30 feet with a 50-foot range, and the smart pendulum system self-levels automatically, blinking to flag an out-of-level condition and locking in place when powered off for safe transport. The lines can also be tilted for angled work when needed. Mounting is straightforward thanks to the integrated magnetic bracket or the 1/4 inch threaded mount for standard tripods. It's a Class 2 laser, 630 to 650 nanometers, under 5 milliwatts, lightweight and ergonomic enough for extended use. Number 3 is the Klein Tools 93 LCLS self-leveling Class 2 laser level. Built with professionals in mind, the Klein Tools 93 LCLS delivers clean, easy-to-read horizontal and vertical lines with a 150-foot indoor working range. You can run the lines independently or together depending on the task, which adds flexibility for jobs like running conduit or installing electrical panels. The ABS housing carries an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance, and it ships with a hard plastic case for transport. The mounting bracket rotates a full 360 degrees and includes rare earth magnets along with a 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch threading, plus a hang hole for added flexibility. An extra clamp attachment makes it easy to mount on ceiling grids. A low battery indicator and accessible battery compartment round out the practical touches, while the self-leveling pendulum system keeps plumb and level references accurate without extra setup. Number 4 is the SKIL self-leveling green crossline laser. For anyone tackling projects that need evenly spaced marks, this SKIL laser earns its place on the list. It projects bright green horizontal and vertical lines out to 65 feet, with a standout feature, projected measuring marks that cross the beams at even intervals, making it simple to space out shelves, pictures, or paint stripes without extra measuring. Move the tool closer or farther away and the spacing adjusts automatically. The compact body self-levels on its own and flags an out-of-level condition through clear LED indicators. A locking mode lets you angle the lines deliberately for specialty layouts where level isn't the goal. Charging is handled through an integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a micro USB port, and a multifunctional clamp attaches to the top or bottom of the unit for mounting on ladders, tables, or tripods. It's a Class 2 laser rated at under 1 milliwatt, keeping things safe for everyday use. Number 5 is the Huepar Laser Level 360 self-leveling. If you need a laser that covers an entire room rather than just one wall, this is the tool built for that job. The Huepar HM03CG projects a full 360-degree horizontal line plus 2 360-degree vertical lines, using a brighter green beam that holds up better against temperature swings than standard diodes. Its ABS body wrapped in soft TPR rubber gives it a comfortable grip and extra protection on the job site. Working range hits up to 98 feet at 100 lux, with accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet, and outdoor pulse mode stretches that to 200 feet when paired with a Huepar detector. You get both self-leveling and locked manual modes, a rechargeable battery good for 8 hours with Type-C charging, and a 360-degree magnetic bracket with 1/4 20 and 5/8 inch 11 threading. Backed by a 5-year device warranty and 2-year battery coverage, it's a well-supported pick for demanding indoor and outdoor layout work. That wraps up our top 5 best laser levels. Each one brings something different to the table, so pick the one that best matches your budget and the type of work you do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.